Well, everybody, I just want to know today, I really need to talk about, and there's a lot of things that's really, really good, important for me. I finally got 2 of my vacuum cleaners fixed yesterday. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately, any real actual vlogs, because I really wanted to use these 2 vacuum cleaners I actually fixed yesterday. I've been working really hard, and I really found out was I really love using my Hoover Elite right there, and the old motor was burnt out and it was burnt up. The original Hoover Elite energy efficient filter, not the filter, it's a Hoover Elite energy efficient motor. The old motor was kind of fried and the bearings were kind of shot up really hard, and I found out there was something going wrong with it, and the old motor was taken out, and I actually wanted to do something to turn on the vacuum. Okay? Guys, do you want me to turn on the vacuum cleaner? Do you want me to turn on this Hoover Elite energy efficient? I put the Hoover runabout motor in here, and if you want me to use it, let me know, okay? For any next videos, or just let me know on the comics, okay? I actually cleaned out the motor on the I actually lubricate I actually Vaseline the bearings on the Hoover runabout motor, and I actually use motor Vaseline to make it sound better. You know, old Hoovers are mostly loud. It's part of a normal thing, and leave me on the comics about it, okay? Works pretty good. I love it. And I'll wrap these cords later when I get done. And also might use this vacuum cleaner today. I actually tested out yesterday. The brush roll was going fantastically. And I put it on low carpet. If you want me to keep this forever, okay? Let me know in the comments. about this one. Well, old Eurekas are mostly kind of loud, but it's normal. It has a good sound to it. You gotta press hard. Well, everybody, I finally tested them up, but I finally got them fixed. I'll wrap it up for another scene. And let's go back to the other video. Well, everybody, I actually made these vacuum cleaners brand new. I actually refurbished them new, you guys. Also, what do you think? Ta-da! Well, I actually fixed this 1994's version, and I finally fixed this 1998's Eureka Boss Plus Bravo 2. And I finally fixed these 90s vacuums right here. They work fantastically. And guys, the 90s were more popularity and more of the cooler of the 90s and cooler of the days. Trippin' Infamous, performed by Bruno Mars. And, these 90s vacuums were popular back in the day. They used to be sold at Kmart. The Hoover actually would have been sold at Kmart and in JCPenney back in the day. And so did that Eureka Boss Plus Bravo 2 with the 12 amp motor. Guys, these were JCPenney brand. And I'm here to let you know about it, okay? And they used to sell these at Kmart back in the day. See ya. Bye.